make a video? Let's go ahead and start a video. You want to? Okay, look, you're on video. Can you say hi to everybody? No? You don't know them, huh? This is my little girl. It's Elizabeth. And she's quite shy, actually. Can you smile for him at least? No? Okay. What? You want down? Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss first.
Get this thing off of me.
What? Oh, this? She got tangled up in the cord. Okay, blow kisses. Blow kisses and then you can go. Well, give me a kiss then. Mwah. Love you. Okay. No, we're not using my makeup. She has a tendency to want to play with my makeup. She really likes my makeup, so yeah.
My makeup.
Yeah, but you don't have any makeup right now because you used it all, remember?
Yeah.
You used it on Wally. Yeah, she has a tendency to want to paint the cat with her makeup. I want to tell everyone about you because that's why the whole reason we're making this video, honey. Okay.
Wally likes my makeup.
I know he likes your makeup. Now, watch. Okay. Now this is Elizabeth. Here, you guys scoot back where they can see your face. Okay. Can you smile for him? Can you smile for me? No? Okay. Well, this is Elizabeth. This is the whole reason I'm making the video is to introduce you guys to Elizabeth. She's going to be 4 in December. And what? With what? Really? Wow. Okay, so she's going to be 4 with presents in December. And she doesn't usually get on here, and usually you won't see her. But this is my pride and joy. See how white she is compared to me? Ooh, she looks like milk. But, yeah, she wanted to at least say hi to everyone in the guild. And can you wave at them? You can't wave to B? You can't wave to Gamma? You can't wave to anybody? You can't even wave to Rob? What about Brandy? You like her? Really? She plays with you, doesn't she? You know, it's going to make her sad if you don't wave to her in the video. You just can't? Okay. But I just wanted to let y'all see her, since she's the pride and joy of my life. And I will talk to you guys later.